Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Shaddoll deck. So basically I just put three Shaddoll decks together and hope for the best. So let's see what we got here. I'm, I haven't played Shaddolls in probably a year. I have no idea. Um, okay. Okay. What did he target? Twin Twister? That's fine. MST? Seriously? Who plays MST? Hmm. Strikers. Okay. Yeah, it's a great play. Each player can only um one is almost up on yet. Uh, Chainlink one beast. No. Chainlink one windy. Chainlink. Wait, my brain isn't working. I wanted to resolve backwards. Chainlink. So it would be one. Chainlink one beast. Chainlink two uh windy. Okay. I should have called. I should have chain blocked that differently. Okay. That kind of sucks, but okay. Hmm. I should have attacked first. Man, that was my bad. I misplayed that. That's cool. That's fine. I'm trying to remember how to like play $2 because it's like been forever since I played this deck. Twin Twist is the, like things like evening match is the reason I play Twin Twister. That actually might be a short video. Hmm. That would have only been 4 months. I'm trying to set up for the Avarice, hoping I can get to Twisters. Mm, Actually, no. Yeah. So even if I get into it, um, even if I don't get a monster, I can still back in. Although I didn't think about the Chin Twister. Wow. I'm lucky. Um, I'm kind of getting blocked by Mystic Mine. Once I get Mystic Mine off the field, I kind of won. Okay. What? Three monsters, I believe, do not count. What's that? So. Uh, okay. Hmm. Uh, each one can only play with one monk. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Aw, that wasn't nice. Hmm. Since the graveyard, you can tell me one shot about checkout. I'll add this back to my hand. That's fine. Now he can special summon more, but you know. Now he doesn't have the Mystic Mind to protect himself. Oh, all my fusion spellcasters? No, he's an Earth. Light. He's a fairy. Shaddoll Winda is a psychic. Hmm. Yep. I'm trying to think what could she get from it. What attribute is that? Water? She's a famous. Excuse me. Sorry about that. Super Poly would be really nice right now. Hmm. Um. Right. Oh, get to discard it into the graveyard. I could draw the card, but discard it into the graveyard. And what to the graveyard? Oh, I can name it. I probably just lost. So